Sperm whales, scientifically known as Physeter macrocephalus, are the largest of the toothed whales and one of the most intriguing marine mammals. These incredible creatures are known for their immense size, fascinating behavior, and exceptional intelligence. Found in deep oceans across the world, sperm whales are a subject of admiration and study for marine biologists, conservationists, and anyone interested in the natural world. Sperm whales get their name from the waxy substance found in their large heads, known as spermaceti. This substance, believed to play a role in buoyancy control and possibly echolocation, is found in the spermaceti organ, which is the largest organ of its kind in the animal kingdom. The whale's head itself can make up about 1/3 of its total body length, making it an unmistakable feature of this majestic animal. These whales can grow up to 20.5 meters, 67 feet, long, with males being considerably larger than females. Adult males typically weigh up to 57,000 kilograms, 125,000 pounds, while females are somewhat smaller, typically around 15,000 kilograms, 33,000 pounds. Sperm whales are known to be deep divers, capable of plunging to extraordinary depths to forage for food. They are often seen diving to depths of over 1,000 meters, 3,280 feet, in search of their primary diet, squid, particularly the giant squid. These deep dives, which can last up to 90 minutes, are aided by their specialized physiology, including a flexible rib cage that allows their lungs to collapse under pressure. The whales rely on echolocation to locate prey in the dark depths of the ocean, emitting high-frequency clicks that bounce off objects, helping them pinpoint the location of prey. The social structure of sperm whales is also noteworthy. Female sperm whales typically live in matrilineal groups, where mothers and their offspring remain together for extended periods, sometimes for life. These family groups are close-knit, and they often work together to care for the young and protect each other from predators. Males, on the other hand, tend to be solitary or form loose bachelor groups, especially as they mature. While the males may occasionally interact with the females, they generally spend much of their lives alone, occasionally migrating in search of food or mates. Sperm whales communicate through a complex system of vocalizations, which includes a variety of clicks, whistles, and pulsed sounds. These vocalizations are thought to play a role in communication within pods, as well as in echolocation. The sperm whale's signature clicks are among the loudest of any animal on Earth, capable of reaching over 230 decibels, which is louder than a jet engine. The sounds are used for a range of purposes, including navigation, hunting, and social interactions. Researchers have discovered that sperm whales may even use their vocalizations in complex ways to convey specific information, such as identifying themselves or signaling distress. Despite their enormous size and power, sperm whales face several threats in the modern world. Historically, they were hunted for their oil, which was used for lighting lamps, lubricating machinery, and in the production of soap. This hunting, particularly during the 18th and 19th centuries, led to a significant decline in sperm whale populations. Today, while commercial whaling has decreased, sperm whales still face threats from ship strikes, entanglement in fishing gear, habitat degradation, and pollution. Ocean noise pollution, in particular, is a growing concern, as it can interfere with their ability to communicate and navigate effectively, potentially leading to disorientation and strandings. Sperm whale populations are spread across the world's oceans, with different groups found in both temperate and tropical waters. They are migratory animals, often traveling long distances to find food and mates. They are known to have a preference for deep, offshore waters, where they can dive to great depths in search of prey. In some regions, such as the Azores, Japan, and the Galapagos Islands, sperm whales are a popular subject for whale watching, attracting tourists eager to see these magnificent creatures in their natural habitat. Conservation efforts for sperm whales have been ongoing for decades, with international agreements such as the International Whaling Commission, IWC, working to regulate hunting and protect these animals from exploitation. Many countries have banned commercial whaling, and there are now a number of marine protected areas where sperm whales can live and thrive without the threat of human interference. Researchers continue to study these whales, using advanced techniques like satellite tracking, photo identification, and acoustic monitoring to learn more about their behavior, migration patterns, and social structures. Sperm whales are not only important to the ecosystems they inhabit, but they also play a crucial role in the health of marine food webs. By preying on deep-sea squid and other organisms, they help regulate populations of these species, which in turn affects the balance of the entire ecosystem. Additionally, sperm whale feces are rich in nutrients, providing a source of food for plankton, which forms the base of the marine food chain. This ecological role highlights the importance of protecting sperm whales, not only for their own sake but also for the health of the oceans. In summary, sperm whales are magnificent, complex creatures that have fascinated humans for centuries. Their size, intelligence, social structures, and ability to dive to extreme depths make them a subject of awe and respect. While they have faced significant challenges throughout history, including overhunting and environmental threats, ongoing conservation efforts offer hope for their future. As we continue to learn more about these remarkable animals, it is crucial that we work to protect their habitats and ensure that they can thrive for generations to come. Through our collective efforts, we can ensure that sperm whales continue to play their vital role in the ocean ecosystem, and that future generations will be able to experience the wonder of these majestic creatures. Sperm whales are not just remarkable for their physical and behavioral characteristics but also for their history and cultural significance. They have been an enduring symbol in literature and mythology, perhaps most famously in Herman Melville's 1851 novel Moby Dick. In this classic work, the sperm whale is portrayed as both a literal and symbolic force, embodying the vast, mysterious power of nature. The novel's central conflict revolves around Captain Ahab's obsessive quest to hunt down the elusive white whale, which has come to represent the uncontrollable forces of the natural world. This literary depiction has deeply influenced how sperm whales are viewed in popular culture, often emphasizing their formidable size and near-mythical status. Throughout history, sperm whales have also been intertwined with the global whaling industry. During the peak of whaling, from the 17th to 19th centuries, sperm whales were hunted extensively for their oil, which was highly valuable in various industries. Spermaceti oil, derived from the whale's head, was especially prized for its use in lamps, cosmetics, and the manufacturing of candles, due to its clean burning and high-quality properties. The bone of the whale, known as whalebone, was also used in fashion, particularly in the production of corsets and umbrellas. This commercial exploitation caused significant population declines, pushing the sperm whale onto the endangered species list. While whaling has been largely banned by most countries today, the legacy of this overexploitation continues to influence modern conservation efforts. One of the most striking features of sperm whales is their behavior in the wild. While these whales are solitary in some aspects of their lives, they are also highly social animals, especially in female-led groups. The family structure of sperm whale pods is complex and fascinating. The females generally remain with their maternal group, which can include multiple generations of offspring. These groups may range from a few individuals to over 20 members, depending on the region and food availability. The bond between mother and calf is particularly strong, with calves staying with their mothers for several years, learning essential survival skills, including hunting techniques, social interactions, and communication methods. This social structure is critical for the survival and well-being of the species, as it offers protection against predators and helps to ensure the calves are raised in a stable environment. The males, however, lead a more solitary existence as they mature. Once they reach sexual maturity, usually around 20 years old, male sperm whales tend to leave the maternal groups and venture into the open ocean. These males are often observed in smaller bachelor groups, though they are more frequently seen alone. The transition to a solitary lifestyle may be linked to the need for males to find suitable mates during their migratory journeys. When mating season approaches, males can travel great distances to seek out females, and the interaction between males and females during mating is brief but intense. These solitary males may sometimes form temporary alliances with other males during foraging or migration, but these groups are usually short-lived. Sperm whales' diet and hunting strategies are also fascinating. They primarily feed on deep-sea squid, including the giant squid, but their diet can also include fish and other marine creatures. The sperm whale's hunting methods are highly specialized. They dive to incredible depths, sometimes exceeding 3,000 meters, 9,800 feet, in search of prey. These deep dives can last up to 90 minutes, and the whales may return to the surface for brief periods to breathe before descending again. Their deep-sea hunting is facilitated by their unique anatomy, particularly their large, bulbous heads that house the spermaceti organ. This organ is thought to help in buoyancy control, allowing the whale to dive efficiently and return to the surface. The sperm whale's ability to dive to such extraordinary depths is a testament to its remarkable adaptations to life in the deep ocean, where little light reaches and food can be scarce. The use of echolocation is another striking aspect of sperm whale behavior. The sperm whale's echolocation abilities are among the most advanced in the animal kingdom. The clicks produced by sperm whales are incredibly powerful, enabling them to map their environment and hunt prey in the pitch-black depths of the ocean. These clicks can travel over vast distances, allowing the whales to detect objects and prey miles away. The sounds are produced by the spermaceti organ and are amplified by the whale's massive skull, making their echolocation incredibly effective for hunting and navigation. Researchers have even suggested that sperm whales may use different dialects of clicks based on the region in which they live, indicating a level of social and cultural complexity. In terms of their role in the ecosystem, sperm whales are considered apex predators in their environment. Their predation of deep-sea squid and other marine species helps to regulate the populations of these organisms, which in turn influences the health of the marine ecosystem. Moreover, sperm whale feces are rich in nutrients such as iron and nitrogen, which support plankton growth. These nutrients are critical for sustaining the base of the marine food web, highlighting the sperm whale's indirect role in supporting the overall health of ocean ecosystems. As such, protecting sperm whales not only benefits the species themselves but also contributes to the health of the entire marine environment. Sperm whale conservation remains a critical concern. While the commercial whaling industry has been largely curtailed, the species still faces a number of threats in the modern world. Ocean noise pollution, caused by ship traffic, seismic testing, and military sonar, interferes with the whale's ability to communicate and use echolocation. This can lead to disorientation and strandings. Additionally, sperm whales are susceptible to entanglement in fishing gear, ship strikes, and the ingestion of plastic debris. Climate change also poses a threat to the species, as it can affect the availability of prey and alter the ecosystems that sperm whales rely on. Efforts to conserve sperm whales have included international agreements, such as the International Whaling Commission's (IWC) ban on commercial whaling, as well as the establishment of marine protected areas. Researchers and conservationists are also working to better understand the sperm whale's behavior, migration patterns, and social structure to develop more effective conservation strategies. Technological advancements, such as satellite tracking and acoustic monitoring, have enabled scientists to gain deeper insights into the lives of these magnificent creatures. These tools allow for more precise data collection, helping to identify key habitats, migration corridors, and areas of concern for conservation.